Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for a mainboard for LG 60PB5600-UA sent by a customer for repair after HDMI port, I believe, has fallen off, as they often do. We apologize for the delay in doing this. Let me see, this is the sticker on the board. And today's date is November 9th, 2019, and some unique markings, probably nothing more unique than the HDMI itself that was soldered back and reinforced on the sides. We apologize for the brief delay. The control board was out for the TV. It's currently being fed through a regular MP3 player, the standard, powered through the USB port, feeding off HDMI 1. And this is a relatively cheap low-end board, a single HDMI. And I'm going to be turning on the TV and showing you that it does work as it's supposed to. Okay, and this is the HDMI player starting. And this is the video that it's playing. So everything is fine. That is what we wanted to show. Sometimes it's the HDMI, sometimes it's other things on the board. In this case it was, I believe, just the HDMI. I forgot already. We fixed it a few days ago. And we were waiting for the control since our broke and we actually couldn't get it to work. That is all. Thank you very much.